Hi, welcome to Interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume using the following link. In this video, I'm going to give you the list of best core Java interview questions. So if you're looking for a job change and if you're a Java developer, so I've picked a few core Java interview questions, the best one. So start preparing with this. So after that, you can go with the other questions. Okay, these are the best core Java interview questions. So I've highlighted very important words in this question, so please remember these questions and these words. Okay, for example, interface, abstract class, garbage collection, synchronization. Okay, so let's go through this. What is the difference between interface and abstract class? When to use? How exactly it works? Okay, why do we need it? How do I achieve in Java? What is the purpose of garbage collection in Java? How exactly it works internally? What is the benefit I'll be getting? What is synchronization in respect to multi-threading? What is pass by reference and pass by value, and how Java exactly works? Hash map, hash table, vector array list. Very important. What is static keyword in Java? How exactly it is applied to methods and variables? How it works? And static is at the class level, and the static keywords are applied at the class level, so it's not applied to the object level. So you should know the difference. Platform independence, how exactly Java achieves platform independence. When you write the code and you can deploy the same code in any platform like Windows, Linux, whatever platform. So how we are able to achieve it. What is the role of JVM in that? What is the difference between JDK, JVM, singleton class, finalized method? What's the role of that? Exceptions, very important. Checked exception, runtime exception. Can I catch runtime exception? Does the compiler bother about runtime exception? When throws keyword is used? What is the use of finally blocked in exceptionality? What is the benefit I'll be getting when I use, and when should I use? What should I do in finally block? What is polymorphism? How can I achieve using Java language? Define immutable object. How can I perform immutable object in Java using Java language? So marking variable as final variable, and no status method. What is comparable interface and comparator? What's the difference? So public static void main. What will happen if I remove static? What will happen if I make this public as private? Okay, so try to write programs and understand clearly what is static block. Whenever a class is loaded, static blocks are executed. Why do we need a static block? What is function overloading, function writing, function overriding? What is final class? What is null pointer exception? What invokes a thread's run method? Okay, what are the two different types of way that you can start a thread? Okay, create a thread and start a thread. File not found exception, IO exception. Is the order matters? What is the difference between yielding and sleeping? Reader, writer, and input stream, output stream. Input stream, output stream deals with the stream of bytes, like reading an image, whereas read and writer reading characters. Serialization, deserialization. What is exactly? Why do we need it? When to use it? Serialization is a process of converting your object into stream of bytes so that I can send it through the wire, and I can store it in a flat files for the later use. What is the difference between constructor and other methods? When it is called, whenever you create an object using new keyword, a constructor is called. What should I do with the constructor? What are the codes can I write in constructor? Sleep and wait. What is transient variable? If you want to skip a variable during the process of serialization, you can use transient variable. What is synchronization? What is synchronization applied at the static method and the instance method? What's the difference? So when a thread is accessing a static synchronized method, can another thread access the instant synchronized method? So these are the different questions that can be asked on the synchronization topic. What is synchronized method? Synchronized statements. When should I use synchronized method and synchronized statements? What is the performance impact on that? Where and how can you use a private constructor? Describe the life cycle of a thread. Why generics are used in Java? What is the use? Why strings are immutable? What is the advantage? Are we saving any memory? And using immutable string objects, Is it a thread safety? Yes, it's a thread safety. How to make Java class immutable? I told you you can mark the variables as final and don't give any setters method. What is deep copy, shallow copy? What is the use of equals and hash method? What will happen when I override equals method, and if I don't override hash code method, what happens? If I don't override both, what will happen? So there will be a lot of duplicates in your collection. That's what will happen. So if you want to store a list of objects in your collection, you have to do this. What happens to static fields during serialization? Observable, out of memory error, marker interface, final, and what is class? Java class loader. Can you make a constructor final? Okay, I've tried my best to keep a list of best core Java entry questions. I hope this, if you start preparing answer for these questions, it will be really helpful for your for attending a Java interview. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview. Thank you and all the best for your interview. This video is from interview.com at job portal. Thank you.